Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. As you can see, the upward retracement has started across the board, so on euro currency, on Pacific region currencies, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar that we have talked about previously. That's why we probably should talk again about the possible targets and what's really going on the gold market, and it's also an Australian dollar, because in Australian dollar, guys, upward action has started, and actually the setup that we have discussed really could be formed. So I have not excluded the chance that we will get bread by the sell trade on the daily chart. So probably we could get it. Recall what we have talked about in our weekly research. But as market just has started retracement, I think that today we could take a look at the gold market, and tomorrow we probably will return to some currency. Instead of the gold, so probably it will be Australian dollar, but also could be the New Zealand dollar, because the setup that we have as on Aussie, as on the Kiwi, is approximately the same. So, but today on the gold market, as you can see, upward bounce stands really shy currently, but trend has shifted bullish, and here, guys, we again could return back to discussion of the idea of the possible double repo buy pattern. Hardly we will get here some kind of the bread and butter, because for that purpose market need to reach 12 even area for the one session. So today and tomorrow, it's hardly this possible. That's why here maybe makes sense to talk about double repo pattern or about double repo failure. So both of them are directional, but not in opposite direction. So direct double repo buys just a deeper upward action, deeper upward retracement, while double repo failure will be the signal that market's ready for a downward continuation. Whatever it will happen, currently, guys, we have the first part of this pattern. So thrust down, we have has no flaws. So actually, very nice thrust. Market has shown first close about the 3x3. Now we need to close below, and after that we need to close above again to get confirmed double repo buy pattern. So, and after that, there will be the moment of truth. Either gold will continue upward retracement, or we will get the failure pattern that will become the early signal that market's ready for the drop. So, on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, the first point that we have discussed has been accomplished yesterday. So take a look, market first of all taken out with the stop. By this action, it has erased the grabber pattern that has been formed in the daily. Second, on the release of the consumer confidence yesterday, that was really positive for since the 2001, the best numbers. Gold was dropping here, but it just has retested the broken channel, and right now stands above it again. So that's really bullish action that we see on the gold market for the short-term perspective. It means that upward action could continue, and if you will take a look at the hourly chart, so we can see that potential target that market could reach in opposite action stands approximately, so at 127 target has been completed. I mean on this butterfly, on the consumer confidence release. This is retracement. Now market's moving high again, so that's probably somewhere around 1150, 1155. This could become the destination, at least of the patterns that we have right now here. So also interesting what we have on expansion of that direct ABCD expansion in Fibonacci. So it suggests slightly higher, 1157. So anyway, so 1155 area is the point where market could turn down again if our suggestion about double repo pattern is correct. So you can see it could move slightly higher, maybe even to the nearest fib level 1164, but this will not become the problem for the double repo, because I need to watch for extensions of the whole thrust down. So this touching of the 1164 is will be not the problem for the double repo patient, but it will be better, of course, if market will not reach it. So the reversal down around 1150, 1155 areas, completion of these minor targets, it will be just perfect for the double repo patient daily. So that's been said. Currently, we are watching for upward retracement on the gold market. It seems that today market could climb slightly higher for the 10-15 bucks, complete the intraday targets, and after that we will see what will happen. So either market will start dropping, and we really will be able to get the double repo patient, or maybe we will get some other action. But taking in consideration, guys, this overall choppy price action, it seems that chance on the drop after completion of these targets looks better than some upward rally starting here. Also, guys, just to remind you, it's a very interesting situation right now in Australian dollar. It stands in a row with our discussion that we talked about in vehicle research. In Australian dollars, possible bounce, and that could provide us the patient nice opportunity for taking the short position there. So we also will keep an eye on it. So maybe we'll return back to discussion of the some currency instead of the gold tomorrow.